Hi, Alex here. Welcome to another property tour. So for today's video, I'll be showing you this Cara model unit of Camella. So it has a floor area of 66 square meters and a lot area of 88 square meters. So let's check out this house. So like the previous houses, the previous model units that I showed you, this house also has an open floor plan. But what I like about the interior of this house is that it has a very playful, eclectic vibe to it. So you can see that the walls are more colorful, it's more vibrant. So I can really see a young couple living in this house. So the living area is over here, dining area over here, and there's also a small kitchen over here. So it's perfect for newlyweds who have like 1 or 2 kids. And then over here, they also have a toilet and bath on the first floor. Then let's head over to the second floor. So welcome to the second floor of this unit. So this house has 3 bedrooms. So this is bedroom 1 over here. The master bedroom is over here. And the third bedroom is right over there. So another tip to really maximizing space is to put up a double deck in one of your bedrooms, so at least 2 can use this space. And then another space maximizing tip is to put up mirrors. Like for example, there's a mirror here on their cabinet, so it will really make your room seem bigger. If you liked today's property tour, please hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel. And if you would really like to see this house in person, then you can just message me so that we can set a meeting. See you in my next video.